All right, we are going to solve the question under Supernode Analysis. The question says we should find the nodal voltage. Please, if you are just watching the solution to this problem, I encourage you to first watch the introduction to Supernode Analysis. So we have explained some concepts that we are going to use to analyze the question. So for you to understand this concept, please go over the introduction to nodal analysis. All right, so for us to solve this question, I have given us three cases that we are going to be using all through, and you can see that case 3 is already playing out here. We have a voltage source here, and our voltage source is between two reference nodes, and again a resistor now is now connected in parallel to this voltage source, because we said supernode is formed. Supernode is formed whenever a voltage source is connected to two non-reference node or a reference node and non-reference node. All right, so and then we said anytime we are having a voltage source connected to two non-reference node and a resistor is connected in parallel to it, what we do is to redraw the circuit. We are going to redraw the circuit and remove the resistor. I hope you understand. All right, so we are going to remove this resistor here. We are going to remove it. All right, we are going to remove it. All right, so now we have removed it. Now we are now going to treat this we're now going to treat this part as a what? As a single node. All right, so we are going to treat this part as a single node. All right, so take note of that. All right, now the first thing we are going to do is to assign our what? Our current. All right, so we say this is I1. We say this is I1. So if this is I1, definitely this is going to be I2. All right, and this is going to be I3, and the one leaving is going to be I4. All right, so we are treating this as a single node. All right, now next thing we are going to do is to apply KCL to the supernode. So we are going to apply KCL, apply KCL, that is the Kirchhoff Current Law, to the supernode. All right, so now if you look at this supernode here, you observe that current I1 is the only current that is coming in, while I2, I3, and I4 is leaving. So we can say that I1 is equals to I2 plus I3 plus I4. All right, so now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to be replacing our current here with what? With voltage over what? Resistor, right? Now I1, our current I1 here is the same thing as this 2 ampere that is going into this supernode. All right, so now it means I1 here is 2, which will be equals to I2. Our I2 is flowing along this branch. All right, so let's call this node V1 and let's call this node V2. All right, so and our I2 is flowing across this branch, so it's going to be V1 minus 0 divided by what? Divided by 2. V1 minus 0 is V1 all over what? 2 plus I3 is going to be V2 minus 0 divided by 4. That is V2 divided by 4 plus our I1 here, our I4 is the same as the current here that is flowing downward there, which is 7 ampere. So it's going to be 7. All right, now the next thing for us is just to simplify. If we move this 7 here, 2 minus 7 is minus 5. So I'm going to have minus 5 equals to V1 all over 2 plus what? V2 all over 4. So if we multiply through by 4, we are going to have minus 20 equals to what? Minus 20 equals to 2v1 plus what? Plus v2. So let's call this one equation number 1. All right, I hope this is clear. All right, now, so the next thing we are going to do is to write the equation of the supernode. So equation of supernode. All right, so what will be the equation here? To explain all of this in our introduction class, the positive part is v2 while the negative part is v1. So it's going to be what? v2 minus v1 will be equals to what? Will be equals to 2. So if we make v2 the subject, so v2 will be equals to 2 plus v1. So this is equation number 2. So we are going to substitute equation 2 into equation 1. Then we are going to have minus 20 is equals to what? Is equals to 2v1 plus what? v2, which is what? 2 plus v1. All right. So minus 20 will be equals to this plus this, that is 3v1 plus 2. If I move these two back here, it's going to become minus 22 equals to what? 3v1. So if we divide both sides by 3, so v1 will be equals to minus 22 divided by 3 is going to give us what? Minus 7.33. Minus 7.33 volt. All right, so let's find v2. v2 will be equals to what? 2 plus v1, that is 2 minus 7.33, and 2 minus 7.33 is going to give us what? It's going to give us negative 5.33. Negative 5.33 volts. All right, so here is how to go about the question, because the question just said we should find the nodal voltage, and the nodal voltage is what? v1 and what? v2. So here is how to go about it, and I hope the question is well simplified and well understood. You can comment that in the comment section, and if by chance that today is your first time of coming across our content, please do well to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video like this, you'll be the first to receive the notification. And don't forget to share this content with your friends in other institutions who might be in need of this. And don't forget that we have lots of materials on circuit analysis, and if you check the description of this channel, you have access to our WhatsApp number, our email address. You can DM us if you want our materials, and you also see the link to our seller account there. You can click it and purchase any of our material online. And if you want a private tutoring section, you are welcome. If you have any challenges with your assignment, you are also welcome. We are going to help you to solve your assignment, and you are not only receiving a solution, you are going to be receiving a premium service that will involve the solution, and we are going to explain the assignment to you, the solution to the assignment step by step. And if you're also having any challenges in understanding any topic, maybe we have not treated them yet, you can reach out. We can help you to develop notes on that topic step by step. So we are always at your service. Thank you. Stay tuned for more.